so now let's go into the review of our two positions for last week, our two movements from last week. And so the first one was the joyous breath and just really getting that energy going. And this is the one out of all the movements that really has that sense of a strong engagement. You might remember me talking about how as your hands come up, it feels like you're in a heavy air, like as if you're on Saturn or some place that would have a very heavy atmosphere. And so you do step out to start with it. So step out with your left foot a bit and just get yourself to that basic position and then come down. And so this part is similar to how we started our light at the top of the head and light at the temples, where you come down and scoop and then you raise up under that heavy air, and your breath is like a ujjayi breathing, like a pressure breath in the back of your throat as you come up. So it goes, and then you turn gently. So it's just in this moment, there's a release of that energy. And now as you come down 4 sections, you come out strong with that pressure in the back of your throat, with your, just starting with on the balls of your feet, your heels slightly lifted, and now you come down. And then gently turning, here we come a second time. So the pressure in your breath is similar to the pressure with your hands. And one last time, up, 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 raising and down. And then gently coming up and closing. So it's quite a contrast to go from that to our passing clouds. The other thing that's unusual about passing clouds is that we're going to step out with your right foot to the side. It's the only one that does that. And so your left hand is the one that's going to come up by your shoulder, and your right hand is just going to be kind of waiting. And as you step just a little bit out to the right, as you come across, you do that sweeping across, and then just coming up and having like almost like a mirror of a hand in front of you as you come back. Right? So that's your left hand. Now here comes your right hand coming in behind, and they switch. And the fingers of one hand sweeping across come just up inside of the elbow of the hand that is coming out of being a mirror. So there's just a little bit of a connection there. And the fingers of the sweeping hand, as usual, are facing down toward the floor. And so you just start to drop into this movement of going back and forth 9 times, and just really find that sense of the passing clouds that takes all that energy from your joyous breath and really lets it drop into gentleness and flow. We'll come across one more time. Here we come back. And then as this hand sweeps across, it comes up while the top hand waits, comes around, and graceful conclusion. Lovely.